Need a free and reliable document scanning app? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install NAPS2 on your computer in just a few minutes. We'll use the official website so you get the latest version safely. And yeah, I'll also point out which download option to choose. First, open your web browser and search for NAPS2 download. Then open the official NAPS2 website and head to the download page. I mean, it's always best to download software from the official source instead of third-party websites. Now you'll see several download options for Windows, Mac, and Linux. If you're using Windows, the standard installer is the recommended choice for most people. If you're on a Mac or Linux, simply select the installer that matches your operating system. Click the download button and wait for the installer to finish downloading. The file size isn't very large, so, depending on your internet connection, it should only take a short time. Once the download is complete, open the installer. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Then follow the setup wizard by selecting your preferred language, accepting the prompts, and clicking Next until the installation is complete. After installation finishes, launch NAPS2 from your desktop or Start menu. You'll now be ready to connect your scanner, create scanning profiles, and start scanning documents into PDF or image files. Yeah, it's that simple. And that's how you download and install NAPS2 in 2026. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more quick and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.